welcome to this tutorial on some basic math functions of Excel. In this video, we're going to be covering the basic principle of BODMAS and also addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, which are frequently performed in Excel. What is BODMAS? BODMAS is an acronym which stands for brackets of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. It explains the order in which mathematical operations must be performed. For instance, here we have a mathematical expression. How is it calculated? Which particular sign is given the first priority? And then what's next? Here we have multiply, add, divide, and subtract. As per the BODMAS rule, we'd look at the highest priority sign. So we're going to have division as the first priority. So the first operation happens to be 4 divided by 5, which is equal to 0.8. The next priority is given to multiplication, 3 times 2, which is 6. So then we have 0.8 plus 6, which is 6.8. The next preference is given to subtraction, which is of least priority. So it's 6.8 minus 6, which gives you 0.8. And here's your result. In the next expression, we have brackets. So the first preference goes to the brackets. We have 5 minus 6 in brackets. That gets calculated first, and it gives us minus 1. It's followed by the second set of brackets, which is 3 times 2, or 6. Next comes division. We have 4 divided by negative 1, which gives us negative 4. And then we have 6 here, so 6 minus 4 would be 2. Here's another expression. Again, the first preference is given to brackets. Inside these brackets, the first preference will be multiplication, followed by addition. So 6 plus 4, which is 10. Followed by division. 10 divided by 5 equals 2, and then 2 minus 6 is equal to minus 4, which is what we have here. In this next example, we have double parentheses. Here, the first priority goes to the innermost parentheses. So the first calculation is 5 plus 6 equals 11. The next preference will go to the division symbol. 4 divided by 11. Four divided by 11, as you can see, is 0.36. And after this, we have to perform addition. 3 plus what we have now, 0.36. So 3 plus this, and now we've got 3.3636. Okay, and now we have to perform the last calculation, which is 2 multiplied by the value we have. So it's equal to 2 into this calculation, which is 6.72, and that matches our result here. So this is how Excel takes care of the order of mathematical operations. Now let's see some common Excel math formulas, which are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. In my data, I have student names and their scores. So let's say I want to add the scores under score 1 and score 2. Any formula has to start with an equals symbol. So to find the sum of these two scores, I have to start with equals. The syntax for addition is SUM. You'll immediately see a drop-down of all functions which start with SUM. So you choose the first one here, then hit Tab or double-click on Sum. It prompts you about what has to be filled for the formula. And we have to select scores for our addition. So you click and drag on the scores that you want to add, and then you close the parentheses and hit Enter. Now we've added score 1 and score 2 for this student. If you want to replicate this for the other rows as well, click on the lower right corner and drag. And now we've gotten the total score for all the students. And one way to check this is just to click on the Formula tab, where it shows you what operations have been done and what data has been considered. Similarly, we can also find the average scores. And we can multiply and divide scores. For finding the average, type equals average, and it's automatically going to prompt you. You click on the function, select the scores whose average you want, close the parentheses, and hit Enter. Now you've got the average scores. You can also apply the formula by going into the Formula tab. You click on Auto Sum here, and it's going to show you some common functions like sum, average, count. Which counts the number of selections made. And you can even find the highest and lowest number in the selected range. We also have some more functions here. So you click here, and you'll have a list of different functions that you can use in Excel. There are even categories from which you can select as per your need. Here we want a mathematical function, so I'm selecting Math and Trig. You scroll down. You'll have all the functions here that are listed under Math and Trig. Here we have Sum. You click on Sum. Now go ahead and select the range, and then click OK. And it's found the sum. Similarly, for multiplication, you just type equals, select score 1, click on it, and type asterisk, followed by the next score, and you hit Enter. Your score has now been multiplied. Similarly, if you want to divide scores, or to take their percentage, equals sum of, select the range here, / or divided by 100. The result is in decimal. To convert it to percentage, go to Home, click on the percent symbol, and there you go. Your score has been converted to percentage. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.